If you have bought Microsoft Office 365 license, then you may be aware of you're gonna get 1 terabyte of free space along with the bundle. Hey there everyone, welcome back again to the Mac Essential, where we help you to elevate your Mac OS experience. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how we can download and install OneDrive for Mac in your system. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so let me actually go down and let me open browser. Let's type Safari here. And now we need to open this link that I am pasting here. And I'm gonna also provide the same link in the description of this video. Now simply click here on download. Now let's click here on allow, and there we go. So we can see we are about to download this. And I would say getting an app makes more sense compared to utilizing that space online, because a lot of time you will see that your file is not getting uploaded properly, or there are other issues that you are seeing. So once we download, let's run this setup, and I'm gonna install it here, and let's click on continue. And here, if let's say you want to change the location of your installation, you can click here on change install location, and then you can select the specific disk. Now let me click here on continue and then click on install. Now we need to enter our password. And there we go. We can see here we have successfully installed OneDrive in our Macintosh. Now let's close this. Now here you can see the icon of OneDrive. Let's click on it and let's click here on sign in. Now I need to enter my ID. Click next. Then enter your password. And after entering the password here, you can see now it shows that drive is connected. Now when you click here on the first time, you need to provide access. And once we provide access, and then if I go to computer, here I can easily see OneDrive and the file that exists inside my OneDrive. So in this way guys, just like iCloud Drive, I can also integrate OneDrive in my system. And the good thing about OneDrive is here you're gonna get 1 terabyte of free space if you are using Office 365. Just you need to make sure that you are using same ID, and then you're gonna enjoy that 1 terabyte of free space that comes bundled with Office 365. So let's also wrap up this video on how we can configure OneDrive in macOS. If you have got any kind of doubts or question related to this query, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will surely try to help you out with it as soon as possible. Also, please make sure to subscribe to the Mac Essential as we keep on bringing productivity videos and tutorial related to macOS. And I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.